Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And today again I'm going to make this video for the same issue, which is when we are doing the down payment clearing using FDS 54, we are getting the issue that acquisition value will become negative in area 01. Why I'm making this video again? Because few days back only I have released one video for the same issue. A recent video which I released few days back, wherein if you observe, there is no acquisition value posted. There is only the down payment posted, and then subsequently there was the credit memo posted. So you don't get the clear picture like what is the exact impact when you reverse the credit memo. So in this case we have the perfect case here. So we have posted the down payment, and then we have reversed, and then we have received the GR. Now when we are posting this reversal of the credit memo through FB01, then we'll see what is the impact on the values. Okay, so this is AW01N report, and for fiscal year 2024, okay, for 2024 let us see the report first. So you can see these are the planned values, and if you go to the comparison, you can see there is one down payment posted 24,24,000 amount. Now let us see posted values. In the posted values you can see the depreciation posted till date and what is the total amount of depreciation for this year. So you can note down this amount here. Now let us check the plan value in 2019 when the asset was acquired. So here you can see we have the down payment posted, then subsequently we have the credit memo also posted. So in the coming year, I think 20 or 2021 we have posted acquisition. Okay, now you can see the comparison for all the years. Here also you can see the down payment amount is showing here. Now we are going to post a JV to reverse the credit memo. We are using FV01 transaction code. I just simulated here just to save the time, and I'm just going to save this. Okay, so I have posted this document here. Let's display this document. What is the accounting entry? So here you can see asset is debit and your asset down payment clearing account is credit. Now let's go to Asset Explorer and see the plan values. Here you can see this one transaction, right? This is the reversal of the credit memo. Now see the posted value. Here you will see the drastic change in the depreciation amount, right? You can make a note of this amount. This is the huge amount compared to the previous amount. Now let's go to FDS 54 transaction code, and we are going to clear the down payment. Now let's go to AW01 and again and refresh. Go to the posted value. So here you can see the depreciation posted amount is reset as before we reverse the credit memo. And in the comparison tab you can see there's one more line item is created with the minus sign. And now let's see the vendor line items. Let's refresh, and here you can see this special GL indicator has been removed for amount 2424000. Now this will be treated as a normal amount.